Hi guys and welcome back. In this episode we're going to get the carbon roof on and fingers crossed we're going to get the windscreen in as well. Stay tuned. So we're finally at the exciting part where I get to bond the roof on that I've made ages ago. So the plan for today is I kind of had the roof on it and I marked just where the edge sat. So we're going to need to sand this down right round about to key up the surface so that the bonding adhesive grabs onto that. While we're at it, I'm going to do the same with the windscreen because the car's kind of been painted, so I'll need to scuff up where the windscreen was, all the way around again and down here. So I'll do that all at the same time and then we'll get it all cleaned with some acetone and also the roof. So the roof, I'll give this flange a bit or scuff up, make sure it's all nice and clean again with acetone, and then we should be ready to go with the bonding, which I've got some structural adhesive here. So I've got one that works, takes 15 minutes working time and one 5 minutes working time. I'm not really sure. I reckon 5 minutes is long enough. Go round about the perimeter and then just set it on. It's not really anything going to say it. I was going to say anything that could go wrong. No, let's not jinx it. But yeah, it shouldn't take long to put a bead right round about it, lift it on, set it down, put a couple of bits of masking tape just to hold it in position. And fingers crossed it goes okay. And if that goes fine, and I picked up a windscreen, nice new windscreen, which pretty much the same scenario. I have got windscreen adhesive somewhere, a couple of tubes of the windscreen stuff, so I'll use that for this. And yeah, by the end of the video, hopefully there's a roof on it, a windscreen, and probably get the scuttle panel with the window wipers and things fitted back on it. And that'll do us for today, and then we'll get back to it maybe next weekend, because this is Sunday, so it'll be the following weekend before we can start putting the carbon wide arch kit and getting the body parts all fitted to make it look like a car again. So yeah, let's go on with sanding this up. And a little bit more investigation, I realise I'll need to use the 15-minute stuff because I've nearly finished the 5 minutes, so I wouldn't have enough to go around the roof with anyway. So yep, let's get this set up and get the glue on. Central weave up there. Yeah, happy with that. So we'll just let this stuff go off and then we'll get the windscreen done. That's us a couple hours later and the adhesives went off. It's supposed to give it an hour and a half for it to go off, and then it takes another couple of days to be fully cured. So start stripping this off and getting the windscreen prepped up. It's going to be a pain in the butt to off, but yeah, I'll pick away at that. Windscreen's here, just need to get some stickers off it and give it a wee clean. Put the silicone on round about and we'll get it in. Okay, so do I just take you and show you? So in my head there's a little clear line in the glass which I thought was going to marry up with this little green marker. It does on the other side, which you can see there, but you can just see the number through the glass there. So this glass needs to go up at this side a little bit, but it needs to go up at the other side a lot more to straighten this line round, so the whole thing needs to twist. So I'm going to put some of these plastic packers under that little bit there to lift it up. Then I'll centre it, and then I'm going to clean this here, this ridge here. I'm going to clean that out so I can either put a rubber seal on it or just re-silicone it nice and neatly. So I'm going to clean that out. Okay, let's start with black as well. Grain of black, that brings the glass over just to the edge of the roof. And about 7mm away from the edge of the metal there. So we can do there, we can do that overhanging the roof by a couple of millimetres on that side. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to start cleaning it all now. So, slight hiccup. The ending of this video either was not recorded or the file has been lost. So here it is. Windscreen in, roof all in, looking good. And as you can see in the background, it's totally changed because I've been busy getting some new racking fitted and some organisation stuff done. So yeah, there's some other stuff going on the other side of the car, which will be in the next video. So see you then.